Today, community, our character trait for today is patience. What is the meaning of patience? Patience means to wait for things when I want them right away. It's staying positive, trusting that everything is going to be okay. Where can you find this character trait? The character trait is found in Psalms chapter 27, verse 14. Wait for the Lord, be strong in heart, and be patient for him. This character trait was shown in the story when Abraham and his wife, Sarah, waited for a baby. Now, let me tell you the story. Abraham and his wife Sarah had prayed for many years to have a baby. God promised to give them a big family, but now they were too old. Did God forget about us or did he change his mind? They wondered. Abraham didn't get impatient and say, Hey God, I think it's about time that you kept your promise. Why haven't you given me a son already? He needed to wait for God to answer, even though it took years. When Abraham was 99 years old, God finally said, Now you will have a baby. Abraham and Sarah named their miracle baby boy Isaac, which means laughter. They were so happy. They sang him songs, cuddled him, and taught him about God's goodness. That's the end of our story. Can kids like us become patient? Of course we can. We can do it in our daily activities. First, we can apply patience in planting. When we plant a seed, it doesn't usually grow in 1 hour or 1 day. God takes his time to make the flower bloom beautifully. Second, we practice patience by waiting for our turn in line. We should practice on how to wait. Lastly, it takes patience for our character to be beautiful. So if you sometimes fail and to be patient, don't worry. Our God is a patient God and he will never give up on us. Again, the character trait for today is patience. And also a reminder, let's stay patient and stay positive, trusting that everything is going to be okay.